àwa náà ni. This is it. Property of equilibrium constant. Mo ti sọ nǹkan tó ń pè ní equilibrium constant fún ẹ. Àbí now, mo dẹ̀ ti sọ pé the only thing that affects equilibrium constant is temperature, nothing more. Kò sí nǹkan kan mímọ́ o, only temperature. Now, ó ti mọ̀ ń sìn báyìí pé the only thing that affects it is what? Temperature. Ó ti yé ẹ pàdé mi, okay? Now, kí wá làwọn property equilibrium constant yẹn gangan? That is, kí ni àwọn attribute ẹ̀, kí ni àwọn nǹkan àmúyẹ ẹ̀ tó máa sọ pé okay o, nǹkan tí equilibrium constant máa ń ṣe rèé o, you understand? These are the property, nǹkan tó ní rèé o, bó ṣe rí rèé o, you understand? Number one, alákọ̀ọ́kọ́, I said number one is what? Temperature is a temperature dependent. You understand? That is, the only thing that can affect it is temperature. Take note of that. That's number one. Then kí ni number two? Kọ́kọ́ máa mọ̀ wípé the equilibrium constant of the forward reaction, má fi eléyìí jẹun. O need the point yìí. Tí n bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fún ẹ ní calculation sìn, o need the point yìí. Ó ti yí ẹ, kì í ṣe Pella nìkan ló fẹ́ máa follow, ló fẹ́ máa wò ni. Okay, kí ni ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì yẹn? Equilibrium constant of the forward reaction multiplied by equilibrium constant of the backward reaction is equal to what? Kí ni yẹn? That is the product of the equilibrium constant, the product of equilibrium constant of forward and the what? Backward is equal to 1. This is what I mean. The product of the equilibrium constant, kí ni mo fi ṣe? Forward, F. You understand? Forward in equilibrium constant times what? Times B, backward, is equal to what? Wow. Wo ìwọ tó bá ń lo èyí tó fẹ́ sọ èyí post-UTME, point yìí ṣe pàtàkì. Báwo ni post-UTME OU ṣe máa ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ question lórí point yìí? Eléyìí gangan. Wọ́n wá bi ẹ́ léèrè pé the equilibrium constant of the forward reaction, ìgbà míì wọ́n lè béèrè pé equilibrium constant of the backward reaction is equal to A, multiplicative inverse of the second one, or B, division inverse of the second one. Another one, addition inverse of the second one. Bó ṣe máa ń béèrè nìyẹn. Now, statement yẹn mo fẹ́ sọ̀túnmọ̀ ẹ̀ fún ẹ. Ṣó mọ̀ wípé KF yìí ó lè jẹ́ 1 àbí now divided by KB. Ṣebí ìtumọ̀ tó kọ nínú post-UTME OAU ó ní pé equilibrium constant of the forward reaction is a multiplicative inverse. OAU máa kọ addition sí ibẹ̀, wọ́n máa kọ division sí ibẹ̀, wọ́n máa kọ multiplication sí ibẹ̀, wọ́n máa kọ subtraction sí ibẹ̀. Kí ni mo ní kó o mú? Wọ́n máa kọ, ó dàbí náà kí n fi division gan síbẹ̀, subtraction, addition and something like that. You understand? Kí ni mo pè? Equilibrium constant of the forward reaction is a multiplicative inverse. So mo pé inverse ní báyìí, and multiply ni is a multiplicative inverse of the backward reaction. Tó bá jẹ́ ti backward náà ni, equilibrium constant of the backward reaction is a multiplicative inverse of the what? Forward reaction. Point yìí ṣe pàtàkì. Ní topic yìí tó bá fẹ́ ṣe calculation tó fẹ́ understand topic yìí, part yìí ṣe pàtàkì. Ìyẹn ti lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Then the next one tó ní láti mọ̀ ni pé mo ti sọ fẹ́ pé number one, they are temperature dependent. Number two, I said the product of the backward and forward is equal to 1. Then number three, mo sọ fẹ́ pé the forward àbí now is a multiplicative inverse of the backward, or the backward is a multiplicative inverse of the forward. Tètè mọ̀ nǹkan kan pé temperature, the only thing that affects it is temperature. Both pressure and what? And concentration does not affect the equilibrium constant. Does not what? Affect the equilibrium constant. Now the next one tó ní láti mọ̀ tó o gbọ́dọ̀ fi jẹun. So dẹ̀ ń gbọ́ mi báyìí. Ṣé wọ́n mọ̀ ń gbọ́ mi fún ẹ ní nǹkan tó nítumọ̀? Follow, like, comment. Kí ni problem ẹ̀ gan? Sórí ìgbà tá a bá tó ń sídìí sókè tá à ń sọ́mọ́ ni. Kí ló ṣe ẹ̀? Ó yá wo bíbá. Sórí the last one tí mo fẹ́ fún ẹ ò gbọ́dọ̀ gbàgbé o. If jẹ́ n kọ́kọ́ sọ lórí Yorùbá, tí wọ́n bá fún ẹ ní equation tó bá wà ní equilibrium, that is equation yẹn jẹ́ equilibrium equation. ó ti mọ tó máa fi mọ̀ tó bá jẹ́ equilibrium now. If I have A plus B, I will have this thing C plus D. Because I have this, I know that that thing is a what? Is equilibrium equation, right? Okay? Wọ́n ti wá fún mi. Wọ́n wá sọ pé equilibrium constant iṣẹ́ yìí o. Ṣé bí mo sọ fún ẹ pé temperature ló máa affect ẹ̀? Wọ́n ti wá get ẹ̀, wọ́n ti make temperature yẹn constant. Wọ́n ò jẹ́ kó ní issue. Wọ́n wá get equilibrium constant bọ̀bọ̀ ẹ̀ fún mi. Ó wá jẹ́ K for this thing, K equilibrium constant jẹ́ pé Kc is equal to maybe 20. Máa wo ohun tí mo fẹ́ ṣe. Ó mọ̀ ṣe pàtàkì gan kó mọ̀ kíní. Now, equilibrium constant is what? 20. Àti jọ mọ̀ pé 20 ni. If tí n bá wá multiply equation yìí, maybe by 2 or by 3, I don't know. Let me say, bí equation yìí ṣe wà tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ni, let me say I have 2 here, kó lè bá here, and I have 3 here. Equation yìí ni tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀, mo wá ní equilibrium constant to be 20. Wọ́n wá ní kí n multiply equation yìí by 2. So, kí tí n bá multiply gbogbo equation yìí by 2, kí ló máa fún mi? Ó máa fún mi ní 4A plus 2 times B, ó máa jẹ́ 2B, so wà pẹ̀lú mi, then 2 times this, ó lè máa jẹ́ 6C, then 2 times this, ó lè máa jẹ́ 2D. Sorry, no débẹ̀. So débẹ̀. Good. Ó máa jẹ́ 2C. Sorry, bó ṣe multiply equation by anything, any factor. So, pé 2 ni factor tó fi multiply. Equilibrium constant ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, kí ló yẹ kí equilibrium constant ẹ̀ jẹ́ tó bá gbà máa fún ẹ lówó? Mo mọ̀ kí n tó máa sọ ní pé n tó yẹ kí equilibrium constant ẹ̀ jẹ́ náà ní kí n sọ pé 2 times 20. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. New equilibrium constant báyìí, ó máa wá jẹ́ old equilibrium constant raised to power the factor tó fi multiply rẹ̀. Raised to power, not multiply. Raised to power. Ó gbọ́ mi ṣá? Raised to. Oh, where is that thing? Raised to power. So ti gbọ́ mi bẹ́ẹ̀. Raised to power. Therefore, this thing will now become 20. Kí ló fi multiply? Power 2. Tó bá jẹ́ ni ó jẹ́ new equilibrium constant. That means the next point now will now be if a question that is a reaction, which is an equilibrium reaction, with a certain what? With an equilibrium constant is multiplied by a factor n. Mo lo factor yẹn n, ó fi pé 2 mi bẹ̀rẹ̀ jẹ́ n. The new equilibrium constant will be the old one raised to power the factor by which it is multiplied. Olọ́mọ tó fẹ́ ṣe post jamb àti jamb next year wá ń dúró dẹ́mọ̀ kó wọn bọ̀. Iṣẹ́ yẹn yé wa ni, kì í ṣe pé àlùmọ̀lá ò sí ń bẹ̀. I understand ẹ̀ ni. Ó ti yẹ máa kó wọn bọ̀. K-Nice náà ni. Don't forget to follow, share, comment, and like. Thank you very much.